used to live in the flow zone lane of life with general ambiguous ambition, and this inevitably led me to not making any progress on any goal or destination I wanted to reach. This nonchalant drifting like a leaf in the wind inevitably led me down paths that realistically I shouldn't have been down. However, I did see the light at this randomized tunnel and became organised rather than overwhelmed. I realised that this life was mine, and I took the reins and move it in the direction that I wanted to go. To be floating round from destination to destination with no real inevitable goal that you want to succeed in, you're an insult to your family. You're an insult to anyone that's ever supported you, because you're nowhere. I've meticulated my life in serious detail, and this has led me to remain organised, structured, and therefore productive. And then this productivity inevitably will turn into success. This is a simple protocol, simple formula for success. You can do this too. Hello, I'm Dylan, I'm 17, and I'm trying to help people become more productive in today's world. In today's video, we're going to be breaking down 2 actionable tips to stop yourself from being overwhelmed with your life and be more organised, which will lead to structure, productivity, and therefore success in the long term. I'm going to get straight into it in today's video. Action step number 1, day planning. I can't stress this enough on my channel, but planning your day the night before is imperative towards your success in productivity and general life. It's a very simple concept. You know, you plan the day the night before, and then therefore that gives you the structure of the day next. So you wake up, you know exactly what you have to do, the goals you have to get done, and you have a cheeky little checklist to create a positive feedback loop around you, the dopamine cycle in your brain, and the work that you're doing. Every time you tick it off, you'll trigger the neurological impulse of dopamine, which will create a rewarding feeling around you and completing that work. This product feedback loop will allow you to feel more motivated to do the work in the long term, because you know if you complete it, you'll get that reward of dopamine. It's like training a dog. This direction and plan will help counter procrastination. As I always say, half of the battle of procrastination and battling to become productive is having a plan and knowing what to do. A useful tip. Listen, I hope you're finding this video valuable so far, and I really hope you take action on it. But between me and you, you are not where you want to be, and I understand this. I've been where you are. I want to help you get out of this rut. Let me just let you know that there's a plethora of information that I have not brought to light yet on this YouTube channel. If you're looking to get this actionable advice that's not been out there yet, then please look at the top link in the description and book a free one-on-one meeting where we'll discuss the details of the 21-day work domination program I'll take you on. I'll hold you accountable to your goals. I'll create specific schedules around you, habit tracking templates, and whole 9 yards to create a perfect productive lifestyle for you and inevitably turn you into a more productive person. Action step number 2, habit track. Again, a consistent theme across my channel in general, but habit tracking is also paramount to your success. These 2 things combined together, stacked on top of each other, will be game changing towards your organisation, therefore structure, and therefore productivity in your life. A video on the screen here, copy this exact template to a T, obviously differing depending on your goals and the habits you're trying to track, but this template will be a good base for you. And then upon completion, fill in the boxes, and similarly to the day plan, when you fill in the boxes of the habit tracking template, then you'll start to feel this dopamine surge, and you'll create yet again another positive feedback loop around you completing the habits. This habit tracker will be so beneficial to you. If you habit track across the course of a month, these habits will be ingrained into your daily routine, and all of a sudden you'll turn into a more productive person as a byproduct of that. Once they're ingrained into your routine and they're habitized, as you could say, then you're essentially halfway there to the goals you want to conquer. We repeatedly do, so therefore excellence is not an act but a habit. Yeah, habit tracking will be inevitably positive towards you, your productivity, and then your overall business and success goals for the future. Habit tracking now and instilling it at a specifically young age will guarantee garnering a better life in the future. Stack both these actions and you will conquer your life from overwhelmed to organized, from unstructured to structured, and then therefore from unproductive to the most productive you've been in your life. Activity will seep into the other endeavors you have via success, and you will reap the rewards that you've always wanted. Again, if you're looking to work with me one-on-one, where I'll create specific schedules around you, specific tasks for you to do, and we'll brainstorm together how you can get from A to B in the most efficient and productive way possible. Please look at the top link in the description if you're interested in that. If you enjoyed today's video, I kind of let loose on my tongue a little bit, so it's going to be slightly longer than usual, but I hope you found solid advice and actionable tips that you can implement into your day-to-day life. If you're looking for more content like this, then please scour my channel. I've been posting quite consistently recently, and in the future I will do so also. So just tips that have helped me become the person I am today in terms of productivity, and I hope you become productive too. Thank you for watching.